These students had nothing more than hopes and dreams. All were studying to become a doctor, while the other sits to become a lawyer. No different than me and my other comrades.
But our hearts go out to the families of the young people in Surat who lost their lives. Those young people were fighting for a better world. They were fighting for solidarity, for peace, for liberation. The fact that the Turkish government has cynically used their massacre to equate them with ISIS is disgusting. ISIS are fighting for the subjugation, the oppression of peoples. We must stand in solidarity with the Kurdish people. Denounce the ceasefire! And the ceasefire through PKK has been going on for a very long time. The Kurdish people have fought for peace, have fought for a better future for the Kurdish, for the Turkish and other ethnic minorities and religious groups in Turkey and Kurdistan.
The opportunity now to start calling the BBC. She's always been a mouth for truth. And they've always promoted causes around the world. There's a cause that they've forgotten, and they continue to forget, and that's the cause of the Kurdish people. They also need to know that this war is not just a Syrian war, it's an international war. All people need to unite to defeat ISIS. It's only together that we can win. We need to show the world that regardless of your race, your religion, your sexuality, whatever it is, you can live, as long as you live together in peace. That is the most important thing. So together, I hope we can send that message to the BBC, a message that they can make pass on to the world.
Shame on you, BBC! Shame on you!